bumarik kanina. Papasukan daw sa ating Viva Films. Of course, andyan din ang Delvia, First Company. At sa ating Star Cinema University Studios. Unahin na po namin ngayong Pasko. Ang mga showtime host.
Showtime family is here present. Welcome guys sa premiere night of Bobby Mother. And let's welcome on stage, Milo, si Robin and Angela na nabigyan na lang.
Please, punta na tayo dito sa stage.
Please join us here guys. Welcome to the grand premiere night of Bobby Mother.
Hi! Please, bati na po tayo. And please invite us to watch Bobby Mother. Thank you so much. Thank you po tayo. And we're senior cinema.
And I present the premiere guys.
Of course, to support also mga hosts. Sir Ron. Sir Ron. Jackie, ate girl Jackie, please.
Johnny, welcome.
Hello, magandang gabi po sa lahat ng people. Naalala po namin kayo manood ko ng Call Me Mother. Support po natin si...
Sino naman manood ng Call Me Mother? December 25 na!
Yes! Manonood mo tayo ng Call Me Mother! Yes! Nasubukan ko na ang tambalang Vice Ganda at June Robles na doon sa Enterprise Ministries. Kaya I'm sure hindi sila napayag ng maganda, mas maganda itong Call Me Mother plus Nadine Lustre. Yeah! December 22, sabay-sabay natin panoorin.
Thank you po. Maraming salamat. Grabe din talaga yung support ng Kikilim.
So guys, welcome to the grand premiere night of Bobby Mother. Feel free to head on inside cinema number 3. You get settled and get ready for a fun night ahead of you.
Robbie Domingo is also in at Curtis. Hi po.
Hi everyone! What's up mga Megaman? Yes, Merry Christmas guys!
Merry Christmas po.
How do you feel na ngayon ang premiere night ang Mega Vice natin, Call Me Mother tonight?
My sister, Ed, of course I'm always so proud of Vice kasi whenever Vice decides he's going to do a movie, it's really, you know it's going to be worthwhile. Especially alongside the one and only Direk Juliana. You know the story is going to be really, really good. So I'm so excited to see another side of Vice again.
Thank you so
Thank you po.
much.
Thank you! Thank you guys for
Yes,
joining
I'm
us!
great.
Call me Mother, December 25!
Sebastian, it'll be worthwhile, you know.
Sebastian Castro is also here. Hello po. Pwede po tayo natin ng stage. Okay, thank you again for
Movie Call Me Mother official entry sa
Sir Louie!
We also have part of our Showtime family, Joe Hilario, is also here, Doc Navarro, Darren is...
Yeah, more than a sorry.
Woo! Manifestation! Guys, nandyan si Anthony Alfonso. Guys, okay, thank you so much! O, diba? Narinig ni Tita Annette yun. For sure, may Atrana! Yes, thank you so much. Ito naman, syempre sa
Patisyo.
Yes! Diba tayo maging bini-bini, patingin ka ng rampa mo.
Wala
Milo.
to, wag na, nakakahiya naman na para rumapa ka. Pero ibigay na lang natin ito mamaya for sa panonood ng pelikula. For sure, makikiride din sila dyan sa pagrampa. Sorry, natamang kita. Pero eto na, dahil eto na yung mga cast
Yes.
natin, na mga kasama rin natin ngayong gabi. And again, reminder lamang po, ingatan po natin ang ating mga gamit and
Yes.
also please, strictly no recording. So sa
Yes.
lahat ng mga nandito ngayon, pwede pong ma-confiscate ang inyong phones, pwede pong makuha yan mamaya kapag nahuli po at nakita po kayo nagre-record. Kahit po name ng title ng movie, name ng cast, bawal pong picturean, bawal po yan. Okay?
Kahit picture guys, bawal lang. Kahit audio recording, bawal din. Kasi pag nakita namin na nagpipicture kayo, nagvideo kayo, diretso labas.
Diretso labas.
Please, supportahan po ninyo ang Call Me Mother sa darating na Pasko. Sana magustuhan nyo ngayon ang pelikula namin at ikalat po ninyo ang inyong na-experience ngayong gabi. Thank you!
And Merry Christmas po sa darating na Pasko. Call Me Mother, December 25 na yan.
Yes, supportahan niyo po kami. I'm sure maiiyak kayo at matutuwa kayo. Kaya supportahan po ninyo kami at maraming salamat. Merry Christmas!
Iya,
Sayo! December 25 po, Call Me Mother.
River,
And guys, para mas masaya yung Pasko nyo, Call Me Mother po, December 25 bukas na po.
okay, Esnir.
Yes, magandang gabi po sa lahat. Merry Christmas po. Sana po unahin niyo po yung pelikula namin ngayong Pasko. Call Me Mother po. Yes.
Hello everybody! Shubi at Rana po ako at iniimbitahan po namin kayo manood ng Call Me Mother starring po Lucas Andalio, Miss Nadine Lustre, and the one and only incomparable star, Miss Meme Pais! Sana po manood po kayo lahat. I love you so much.
Thanks, Shubi Brad.
Hello po, ako po si Brent Manalo. Maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa amin ngayon para ipakalat yung napakagandang pelikula namin. Sana panoorin niyo po ulit ng paulit. Kaya maraming salamat.
Mika!
Magandang gabi po! Ako po si Mika Salamangka. Call Me Mother po, December 25. Ito na po, sinisigurado po namin mapapaiyak at mapapatawa po namin kayo at mararamdaman niyo po yung pagmamahal ng pamilya at Pasko.
Hello po, good evening. Ako po si Chrissy Guzman. Yes, it's December 25 na po, Call Me Mother. I'm sure po na magugustuhan itong pelikulang to. Yabang, di ba? Yes, napaka-posh po ng role ko dito. So sana po magustuhan nyo. Napakagaling po na yung men, ni Miss Nadine at ni Lucas. So, thank you so
Sir
much.
Robert.
Hi, ako po si Robert Ortega. Gusto niyo pong tumawa? Check. Gusto niyo umiyak? Check. Suportahan po natin, kumpletos na kados. Ito pong Call Me Mother. Salamat po.
Lucas!
Manood po kayo ng Call Me Mother sa darating na Pasko po. Merry Christmas!
As Direct June.
Ngayong Pasko po, sana unahin po ninyo ang Call Me Mother. And I'd like to say hi to my kids in the audience. Hello to Pinoy Waki. Daddy made this film for you. I love you so much.
Thank you, Direct.
Nadine Lustre.
Salamat sa inyo lahat.
Hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit ini-invite pa kayo, manunod na nga kayo ngayon. So, pero ngayon pa lang, I would like to thank everyone for being here. I want to say thank you to my family, nandiyan ang nanay ko, tsaka kapatid ko, si Ayon of course, at ang pamilya ni Ayon, si Nanay Zenny, and the entire Perez family. Thank you very much. To my little ponies! I love you sa lahat ng mga fans, sa mga housemates na kasama natin dito. At sa mga supporters ni Nadine, maraming salamat din po. At sa mga fans ni MC na wala dito kasi nasa bahay pa, pero manunood sila sa Pasko. Thank you very much for joining us tonight. Kita Cory, thank you very much sa aking Showtime family na nandiyan dyan, sa lahat ng mga kaibigan kong nandito. At naniniwala naman po ako magugustuhan yung pelikula. Maganda po talaga itong pelikula. Pag hindi niyo po nagustuhan, wala kayong taste. Oo. Kaya po, pagkatapos ito, tulungan niyo po kaming maipakalat pa ang magandang balita tungkol sa aming proyekto sa social media. Maraming salamat po ngayon pa lang. Thank you so much. Please help us promote the movie para maraming makapanood dahil hindi po tayo mapapahiya dito. Hindi mapapahiya ang Star Cinema, ang Idea First ng Viva Films tayo lang hindi mapapahiya. This is gonna be a wonderful movie for the entire family. Lots of fun, lots of crying, lots of pang-e-emote. So, bali one, umasa kayo pag-uwi niyo po ng bahay, mamaya may paulan tayong lahat. Okay, thank you very much. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, everyone!
Thank you so much, Pepe Vice Ganda. And of course, the whole cast of Call Me Mother. Quick photo op
Yes,
muna.
welcome na po dito sa loob, please. Ayan.
Yes,
Position
mabilis
na po
lang.
tayo, photo op, smile.
Let's have everyone
Ayan,
smile.
Photo op. Ayan. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. Isa pa po. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay, once again, the cast of Call Me Mother. Let's have them all take their seats and hand it over to their seats.
Yes. Ayan, pwede na po tayo mag-proceed sa ating designated seat. At mag-settle down na po tayo dahil in a few minutes.
Ayun. Okay, to all of our friends from the media, our supporters, please take your seats and find your seats. Mamaya po, we will still have time to see our artists of Call Me Mother.
Ayan, nabanggit na namin iba't iba mga emosyon ang mga
Yes.
today. Ngayong gabi, since mapapanood nila yan, and ngayong Pasko, December 25.
Diba? From kilig to iyak to nakakatawa lahat na.
Lahat na ng emosyon. So, kaya ibahagi na nila, of course, ang magandang kwentong ito. Hindi sila po na nakapanood. Kaya maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga bisita po namin na nakarating ngayong gabi. Thank you.
Yes, again, Call Me Mother officially out. An official entry to the MMFF this year, December 25, 2025. Maraming salamat to all of us. And to all of you, I mean, for joining us here tonight.
Kaya syempre, regalo po sa atin ng ABS-CBN Studios, Star Cinema, The Idea First Company, and Viva Films, ang pelikulang Call Me Mother.
Now, for those of you who wish to post on all of your social media platforms, don't forget to use our hashtags. Hashtag CFF Celebrity Screening and hashtag Call Me Mother. We would love to see all of your posts online.
Again, please, settle down na po, and nabanggit na rin po namin kanina, strictly no recording.
Yes. Now again, we would like to ask all of our friends from the media, our supporters, to please take your seats dahil magsisimula na ang special screening natin of Call Me Mother. Okay, so again, please find your seats. Yes, please settle down. Please find your seats. Yes, sa mga supporters po dyan na may mga banners, you guys can play them now para, yes, please take your seats. Magsisimula na po ang screening of Call Me Mother. Friends from the media, we would really appreciate it if you guys could find your seats tonight. May time pa po tayo mamaya to be with our artists of Call Me Mother. Kaya naman, we would like to ask everyone to please settle down. Please find your seats. Maraming salamat po. Yes. Once again, to all of our friends from the media, please settle down and please find find your seats para masimula na po natin.
Yes, upo na po tayo, makinig po tayo. Pero kung gusto niyo po mag-start po tayo ng 9 p.m., nandiyan lang po kayo po. Please settle down na po sa ating mga friends from media, settle down na po so we can start our movie. Thank you.
Yes, okay. One more reminder. Please find your seats. Please settle down.
Strictly no recording.
Paalala rin po, yung mga gamit po natin, ingatan po natin. All of our phones, our valuables, our wallets, please take care of them. Yan, okay. Maraming salamat. Our supporters, our VIPs, our artists who are here joining us tonight for the special celebrity screening of Call Me Mother. Now, we would like to ask everyone to please stand